Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will cover the remaining topics which we had left in the previous session. Now again we are covering the same topic, file manages and folder manages. So in the previous session we had covered files, folders, drives, file explorer. Moving ahead in today's session we are covering the part 2, the following topics. We will cover file extensions. We will see view and sort files options available. We will talk about compressing the files. We will have quizzes for you. And at the end, we have surprise notes for you. Let's move on. So first, let's talk about the file extensions. As name shows to you, the extension comes at the end of the file name. So whenever in the computer you will save any file, so it will have at the end .ext. I'm just telling you, in the place of ext you will see the different file extensions. Let's say if it is a pdf, then it will be a .pdf at the end. You will have a docx for the document file. In case of you have a audio file, then it will be .mp3. There are many more file extensions available in this time. So what what file extensions actually tells you? It is a quick way to tell you what type of file it is. Okay, moving ahead. So for you, what is file system? It is computer stores different type of files, each with a special ending of a file called an extension. We have example for you. Let's say my name.png, your name.pdf files. So at the end, you see here .png and .pdfs are extensions of our files. Similarly, I'm showing you there are different type of files: text file, document file, images file, audio files, and these are having different extensions. Okay, we have many more files available over the internet. So I'm sure you go and check in your computer what type of files you can easily see there. Okay, moving ahead, let's talk about the view the files. The view is an option which is available at the ribbon. You remembered in the previous session we talked about file explorer. File explorer had three options: navigations, navigations bar, address bar, and ribbon. At the ribbon you will see few quick access options available. View is one of them. View actually tells you how you want to view, see the available files in your folder. You can use extra large icons, you can use large icon, medium icon, small icons, others available options. I'm sure you go and try these. What is about the sort? Sort is nothing but it is how you want to sort the files for your easiness. Okay, so at the same place you will have option sort by. It is also giving you a few options like sort by name, sort by date, type, size, and of course how you want to see it, ascending or descending format. All right, now come to the compressing files. This is an essential topic for you, so be focused. So here I'm showing on the picture there is a suitcase which is crying because it has no more space and the items are scattered like hell here. So there are two major difficulties here. One is a space, one is about how to carry it. Okay. Similarly, we can relate an example with the computer. When you have a computer, you have a folder inside it and there are hundreds of files available. So these are consuming your file space, and as well as if you want to share with somebody, this would be little difficult to share with someone. So to overcome this issue, we have a compressing file options. And how it is telling to you the way to make the files or folder smaller so that they take up less space and are easier to share among us. And make this we have a compress applications available. Right now I'm talking about three of them. One is zip file, very famous. One is rar file. Another is 7-zip. So these are the three application I'm telling you right now. These will help to compress the files. You go and check in your computers which one is installed on your computer and try to use. Now come to the demo for the compressing a file. All right, so we are into the demo session now. So let's see on my screen. One of my folder has these files available. It has multiple type of files: Excel, images, PDF, and text file. I want to compress these files so that it will consume less space and it would be easy to share with someone. So what I will use one of the application available on my PC. I used zip file application, and when I used the zip file, it has created a zip folder for me. This zip contains all these files available inside it and it is consuming less space. Similarly, you go and try to compress one of the folder files available in your system. Okay, now the time is for quiz. You need to answer me a few of the questions I'm showing here. So what is the extension for a music file? I'm sure you remembered it. So these are the options available for you. And the next question is, which type of file has extension .png? These are the options available for you. You will need to write me on the comment box and I will see your answers. And of course, this is a time-based activity, so go ahead. I'm waiting for your answers. At the end, I have some exercise. You need to. Okay, this is the exercise for you. What you need to do, comment me. Yes, I need those exercise sheets. We will provide you those sheets. Thank you for watching the session. I hope it was a good learning for you. Of course, don't forget to subscribe the channel. We are preparing more learning videos for you.